Okay, so you want to make videos like Stellar Sagas. This channel has been growing a lot in the past few months, and as you can clearly see, this channel has got a lot of views. Let me just head over to socialblade.com and show you the results of this channel. As you can see on socialblade, this channel channel is uploaded like 42 videos, and in the last 30 days it has got like 30 million views and makes a minimum of $7.7 thousand, 7.7k dollars per month. Okay, and like 56k subscribers were gained by this channel in the last 30 days. So this channel is showing no signs of stopping. So a lot of channels trying to copy this channel, but this channel is blowing up. Okay, so if you want to make this video, I will tell you how to make this video. Make a similar video on this channel, like this channel does. So like we'll need a script of facts. We'll use chatgpt. Okay, we'll use then we'll need an AI voiceover. Okay, we can use 11 labs. We'll need an image generator. We can use Midjourney, although you can use any other image generator also like Leonardo AI, but in this video I will be using Midjourney. Then you will need a video editor. I'll be using CapCut, although you can use any other video editor, and a similar BGM. A lot of people ask what BGM this channel uses. I know which BGM this channel uses, and I will show you in this video in the end. Okay, and last but not the least, I'll show you a result of my channel, which also I will try to make a similar-ish channel, although I use it similar some different things on my channel, but it is also like on history. So I'll share my results also at the end of this video. Okay, so first of all, let me just head over to ChatGPT and just generate a list of historical figures. Okay, historical figures. Now ChatGPT will generate a list of all the historical figures you need, like Alexander, Cleopatra, and all that. So like it has generated a lot of people. Now let me just stop generating. Okay, once again. Okay, here we are. Let it finish. Okay, now like I want to know bizarre facts on Cleopatra, and I will just type here, write bizarre facts about Cleopatra. Okay, as you can see, I'm just typing. Now it will just generate some bizarre facts about Cleopatra, like she was a snake enthusiast, she was a language master, and cosmetic innovator, sailor's queen, time traveler. Oh, this is like some of the facts sometimes can be bullshit, so you need to be wary of that. Okay, she belonged to Bottleneck dynasty. She had multiple marriages. We know that. Now, whichever fact you find good, you can just add them in your notepad or Word wherever you want. Like I want to use this fact. Like she was a snake enthusiast. I will just type it here. Then she was like multiple marriages. We all know that, but let me just include it. Obviously you can use more thought into selecting your facts, but for the purpose of this video I'm just skimming through this, and I hope so that you are able to understand what I'm trying to accomplish here. You can write more facts and ChatGPT will generate more facts for you. Okay, this is very simple. She had exotic pets, which is also good. Okay, now once you have the facts, okay, now we'll head over to Midjourney. Okay, now we are in the Midjourney server on Discord. Now currently Midjourney costs like $10 per month on the plan that you want, like basic, standard, and pro, whatever plans. You can buy them, or you can also use Leonardo AI. The only problem with I have with Leonardo is sometimes it can be little difficult at times, but it's your choice. Okay, whichever you want to use, you can use it. There's no problem, but I personally prefer Midjourney. So once I'm in Midjourney, I will just type here in just imagine. Okay, and like just say the special prompt I use at times. Prompts, just a second. Yep, I've selected a few prompts. Okay, now obviously I will tell you more workarounds to generate high quality images. Like this is one of the prompts that was like generating really good. Like let me just type here, um, Cleopatra. Now sometimes Midjourney can generate really good images for you, and sometimes it can generate really shitty images for you. It really depends. Let me just type young Queen Cleopatra. Okay, let me just click on generate, and it will generate the required image that I'm looking for. Sometimes it may not generate image that I'm looking for. I have a workaround for that too. Suppose you are like impressed by the artwork this channel has. As you can see, the artwork of this channel is like beyond good. Okay, so what you can do is just copy some of the images of any of these videos. Okay, just click on print screen and just copy any images you like. Okay, say suppose I'm like, trying to make Cleopatra, and this woman is like Cleopatra. Like this is a woman. This she's not Cleopatra, but say suppose I am targeting this woman, so we can replicate a similar image of her in Midjourney. I'll show you that. So Midjourney has generated Cleopatra images for me, and to be honest, they are pretty cool. Okay, I will go with any of them, to be honest. But if for some reason you're not happy with the images that are generated by Midjourney, there's a workaround for that. So all you need to do is just copy one of this image, like click on print screen and just take a screenshot of this image. Okay, you can then go ahead on like remove text from image and remove this text, then come here again, come here and just there's this plus icon, click on it, click on upload a file. Okay, this is purely because you want to, this is purely for knowledge purpose. Okay, and this is so that you can copy the artwork style. Sometimes it's difficult to determine the artwork, so let me just go here and just get an image. Say this is the image. Okay, this is of Caesar, but okay, Caesar would have worked too. Yeah, this is the image I made it previously. So once you have this, look at this. So this is the same image that this channel uses. Okay, as you can see here. And what you can do is like click on it, click on open in browser, copy the URL of this image, come here and click on imagine. Okay, now click on paste, control V, give space and just copy this prompt again, which I will just paste this prompt in the description of this video. Just copy it, come here and click on paste. So as you can see, this is like cinematic photo, young Queen Cleopatra, intense, intricate detail, historically accurate, whatever. And just once you paste this prompt, it will take the reference image as this image. So let us see now what it will generate for us. Now we are waiting. It will generate an image for you. Give it some time. I do hope the images are somewhat similar. It looks, maybe not, maybe yes. So the images are generating. I'll just skip this part. You can just skip on, just fast forward to the point where these images are generated. Okay, almost there, 93%. Now as you can see, this images that have this software has generated is like look at the lady's face and look at the lady's face. It is also very similar, and also the artwork. As you can see, the artwork is also very similarish. Okay, you can come here and look. The artwork is also similarish. Now you can always use this image as a reference and just type your prompt here, and images will be generated for you. Now say suppose I like this image, I click on upscale, maybe one more, maybe this one. Okay, so I've upscaled 2 images. Now what we need is a like, just head over to 11 labs. You need to head over to 11 labs and just sign in. Okay, you can create a free account. It gives you 10,000 characters per month. I believe it's very good. I mean, whatever, it's very good deal. Okay, you can just, and the voice that you need to choose is Adam, pre-made Adam. You can select Adam here. Okay,
allow the world to live.
Okay, this is the voice that you should choose, Adam, because the voice this channel uses Adam. Obviously you can choose other voice, but I'm telling you the perfect way to just replicate the videos that this guy is using. Okay, so once you are here, the images have been generated. Let me just download them for you. Okay, I have downloaded them. Click on save image. Okay, save, come here, save image and click on save. Okay, now you can always head over to Liapix. Okay, yeah. So what this software does, this website does is it adds a parallax effect most of the channels that you'll see similar to this, they add some of a parallax effect. It makes your image look more lifelike. Okay, so let me just show it to you. You come here, click on upload, go to downloads, and just choose the image that you're looking for. And as you can see, this is the camera angle is shifting, so the image appears more lifelike. Now click on share. This will generate this video for you, 3-second video, I believe. You can change it to 5 seconds, but okay, just let me keep it to 3 seconds. And once it has generated, you can download it. Okay, similar to this frame, you can just generate multiple images using Midjourney. And once you have the whole script ready with images, you can just download it from Midjourney, then convert them into small video like 3-second, 4-second, 5-second images, 5-second videos using Liapix. Okay, once you have all of this, what you need to do is here, open a video editor. I'm going to use CapCut, and we'll use a similar BGM, background music. The background music name is Legionnaire, as far as I know. Just let me show you Legionnaire song. Okay, just a second. Yep, Legionnaire, copyright free. Just head over to YouTube. I don't know whether I can share this song link in the description, so just check it in the video. Just head over to YouTube and type Legionnaire copyright free. Okay, as you can see, all these songs by Scott these are all great songs. Or if for some reason you are not able to find it, just type here Legionnaire history bypass. Okay, still not here. Where was it then? Just type here, wait a minute, song of history bypass. Yeah, this is the video. Just type on YouTube song of history bypass, and this video will come up. You can open this video up. Okay, this is the video, right? This is the song. Okay, what you can do is just head over to download YouTube to MP3, something like this. Okay, YouTube to MP3. Use any of these websites and type the link of this website here, and you can just download it. So it is what it is. You can download it and just head over to CapCut, open CapCut. Then all you need to do is, like, once your script has been generated with 11AI, I'm assuming you know how to use 11AI. If for some reason you don't, just copy it here. Just let me open 11 Labs. Okay, where is 11 Labs? Yeah, here is 11 Labs. Just paste your script here. Okay, and click on generate, and your script will be generated. I don't have characters in this account right now, but the process is fairly simple. Just paste it, choose the voice as Adam, and click on generate. So you will have this. Now once you have generated this audio, you have the background music. From here. This, like, just search on song of history bypass, and this is the video. Just copy this, and maybe it has also given a download link. No, it has not given a download link, so you can just go to YouTube to MP3, paste the YouTube link here, and click on search, and you will be able to download it. Okay, then open CapCut. Okay, and click on new project. Then all you need to do is import your voice and import the images that you have created. Okay, I have already done a pre-made work for you, so it will look something like this. Let me just show it to you. My yesterday's video, let me just open it for you. This is what it looks something like. Just let me play it for you.
Crazy facts about historical.
As you can see, the images are like shifting. Okay, and this voice is of Adam from 11 Labs, and the song, I use a different song in this video, but normally I use the Legionnaire song, the one I told you previously about. Okay, so it's
figures, part 28. Although King Richard III met his demise in 1485 from 9 fatal head wounds during the Battle of Bosworth Field, his remains were unearthed beneath the surface of a parking lot 527 years later, beneath a blanket of tarmac. In 2015, a dignified ceremony was held to give his bones the proper resting place. Actor Benedict Cumberbatch read a poem which was as follows: "My bones, scripted in light, upon cold soil, a human braille. My skull, scarred by a crown emptied of history. Describe my soul as incense, votive, vanishing. Your own the same. Grant me the carving of my name." In his will, Julius Caesar bequeathed all of his pathways and private gardens to the public, designating them as recreational areas. Furthermore, he extended a gracious gift of 75 Attic drachmas to each Roman citizen residing in the city, an amount that equated to approximately $297 in the year 2020. For more bizarre historical facts, please be sure to subscribe.
I don't know I did my best job or not. I don't think I did my best job in this video, but you get the point. Like, you are able to generate images using Midjourney, convert them into lifelike forms using Liapix website. Okay, the spelling is Liapix.com. And for the script, you can use ChatGPT, or you can just search Quora and Google in general. Search for links, you will get interesting stories about historical figures and just incorporate them. Make sure to change the words according to yourself. Like, don't just copy blatantly. Write it in your own words. Once you do that, just add the background music, which is Legionnaire. Just search on like Song of History Papa. This is the video. Download it and just add it here. In this particular video, I didn't use it. I used some Game of Thrones BGM. So this is what it is. But this is how you'll be able to generate a video. I was able to generate one more video. Let me just show you. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Yep.
Crazy facts about historical figures.
Yeah,
Part
as you can
25.
see.
Socrates was known for his ability to consume large quantities of alcohol without appearing drunk or suffering from hangovers. He attributed this to his inner demon, or guiding spirit. Ashoka the Great is most famous for the Kalinga War, fought around 261 BCE. The battle was so devastating that it reportedly caused the deaths of over 100,000 soldiers and civilians, and Ashoka was deeply remorseful for the carnage.
Now I hope you are able to get the point. Like, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also just one more thing. Let me show you my results. Like, I've uploaded, I don't know, 45 videos, I guess, on this channel. 38 videos, I guess. And I've managed to get 2,500 subscribers, which is actually more than this channel, which is my Make Money Online channel, which is like 750 subscribers. But on this channel, I was able to amass 2,544 subscribers. And like, I've got like 177k views in the last 30 days. I can show you more, but I don't know how much I'm supposed to share here. But as you can see, it is working, although it is slow and there are many channels that are beating me, but I showed you the process, I believe. So if you appreciate the hard work, please be sure to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.